Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable device standby in sync on TCL A300W. That option allows you to use an external compatible HDMI device to put your TV in standby automatically. To enable this option, click on the settings on your remote, then click on OK to enter all settings, then channels and inputs, external devices control, and then go down to device standby in sync. When this is enabled, then a compatible HDMI connected device will be able to automatically put your device in standby without using your TV remote. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.